All right, on this episode today, I'm gonna show you and break down the numbers on this Airbnb property, okay? So this property right here, we purchased for $125,000. It didn't need that much work. If you actually look back on a few of our vlogs back, you'll see what this house looked like before we fixed it. We bought it for $125,000. We put about $20,000 to $25,000, so we'll be all in $150,000. After refinancing the property, we'll probably cash flow about $1,000 on top of the mortgage. If it wasn't for the Airbnb, we'd probably be either breaking even or just making a few $100s. So that's why we decided to Airbnb this property. Let me break down the numbers for you. So the way we actually got this house was through a realtor friend of mine. They were gonna list the property, but it needed work. So he sent it to me and told me if I wanted to buy it. After I ran the numbers, I thought it was a really good deal. So look, check this out. We bought it for $125,000, we put $25,000 into it. We're gonna make $1,000 every month after getting all our money back. But the good thing is the AT&T Center where the San Antonio Spurs play is just a few blocks down the road. I could literally throw a rock to the AT&T Center. So that right there is a really, really good property for Airbnb because people come all the time to come see the Spurs. Not only that, the property will probably be worth, as of today, about $220,000 and only going up. So there's also equity built into it. Okay, so this is what our finished products look like in the bathrooms. We put new tile, we put new showers, stand-up showers, we put new vanities, new toilets, new mirrors, new lights. Pretty much the same thing on every house. We try to keep it pretty simple but nice. So for something like this, for the whole bathroom, we're paying about $1,200 in labor and we pay for the materials. So just to give you an idea on what it costs. Okay, so furnishing the whole house, the sofa, all the beds, the TV, the bunk beds, and the table and everything, I think we're like at $1,500 on Amazon. So we do save money there. Then I buy a little bit of decorations. I'm probably gonna decorate it a little bit more. We put a little San Antonio vibe in here, and that way we can have a little theme to it. I try to put themes on all of our properties. So the flooring in here, I believe we paid about $1.50 a square foot for the material and then $1 to install it. So the house is about 1,000 square feet, so it's about 1,500 material and 1,000 to install, so about 2,500 for all the flooring. So the last thing was the painting. The interior, we paid about 1,200 and the exterior was 1,000. So on this, we went with like a brownish, grayish color scheme, and on the outside, we went all white with black trim. I really like it. It's like a more of a modern look. That's pretty much what we're doing on all our houses now. Okay, so here's the difference between renting this to a long-term tenant and Airbnb-ing it. So PITI, I'm gonna be paying about $1,500 a month. So what PITI is my mortgage, my principal, my interest, my taxes, and my insurance. Okay, so I'll be at about $1,500 more or less. I can only rent this house for about $1,650, maybe max, $1,700. So I'd only cash flow about $200 a month. And you know, one little thing goes wrong and there goes all my profit, right? So on Airbnb, I can get about $125 a day minimum on this property. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beds in here. I could sleep probably 10 people. I can rent it minimum $125 a day. So if you do the math, $125 a day at only 20 days, that's not even renting at 30 days, it's $2,500. So that's $1,000 plus on top of my mortgage and cash flow. And it keeps my property clean because after every time somebody leaves, we come and clean it. So that's why I like the Airbnb model just a little bit better. All right, guys, this is what we do every single day. We're full-time real estate investors. All day, every day, all we do is look at properties, invest, and this is fun to me. If y'all like this, make sure y'all subscribe, leave comments, like, share with your friends so we can continue to go to the channel, all right? So we're gonna end this video with a little day in the life. We're gonna go train, do some boxing with my trainers, and maybe you learn a thing or two on some boxing. Yeah. What happened?
He's tired, bro. Look, his legs are giving out.
He said he couldn't do mitts with me because he had all the fucking Spurs yesterday, beating up his hands yesterday, right?
Tired, bro. My arms are dead. Like 30 rounds last night, bro.
This is Ginobili right here. 3, 2, 1. That's Jesse James Veja right there. San Antonio world champ. Oh, clutch! Oh! Oh! There you go! Oh! He turned center with the high five. Oh! Alright guys, so we just got back from the gym, right? I was reading this book and it actually stood out to me, all right? Because I've always thought this, but I've never really seen it on paper. So what it says, it's a quote from Sir Winston Churchill, all right? So this is an age in which the mood decides the fortunes of people rather than the fortunes decide the mood, right? And what that means is your mood is what affects your world, not the opposite way. Most people take it like whatever happens to them in life, that affects their mood and their whole day. But you can actually change that and reverse that, reset yourself, meditate, whatever you got to do to reset yourself, change your mood, and that will affect the rest of your day. That'll affect your outcomes, that'll affect your life. And so I've always thought that and been in charge of my mood. And I think that's actually one of the things that help me improve daily. So that works in relationships, just everything, pretty much career, everything. So just remember that. I wanted to give you a little tip, and I hope y'all guys crush it this week. All right, be great, stay clutch. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.